What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the Diamond Kinetics hitting series. In today's video, we will be covering everything you need to know about approach angle. Approach angle is the measure of the angle or direction of your swing prior to and at the moment of impact. It's measured in degrees. In other words, it's the idea of getting your bat on plane with the incoming pitch. If a pitch is coming in at this angle, you don't want to swing down through the zone, and you don't want to uppercut through it either. The ideal swing path matches the path that the pitch is taking to the plate, in order to maximize your chance of solid contact. It's important to understand that approach angle is the metric that comes before launch angle, as it is one of the determining factors that comes into play during the swing. To give you an idea of the general ranges for all age groups using this metric, typically, line drives are hit with approach angles from positive 5 degrees to positive 10 degrees, and home runs are hit with approach angles above 15 degrees. So where can this be found in the app? Well, right here along the bottom, you will get the numerical value of your approach angle, but the graphic above depicts the full story as well. Your approach angle is simply the path your bat takes to and through the ball, and this animation depicts the swing in 3 color-coded parts. The first being the entire swing path in green, the amount of time you're in the zone shows up in blue, and where your bat makes contact with the ball in red. So now that we understand what this metric is and how it can be viewed in the app, let's talk about the optimal ranges for this metric by age group. You'll notice something a little different about this chart, in that what your ideal ranges should look like depends on the kind of hitter you are. The younger you are, the earlier you should start training to hit more line drives, but as you get older and stronger, your focus may come to create a little more loft and let the ball carry out of the park. To wrap things up here, this metric is going to vary a lot more than some of our other metrics because it depends on the pitch type and location. The variability of facing live pitching makes it impossible to keep this the same every single swing, but that's why we've provided the ranges here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.